Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Veg Thukpa soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of mixed fresh vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, and spinach. Also, prepare 150 grams of your preferred noodles, either fresh or dried. Don't forget aromatic spices like ginger and garlic, plus a few herbs to build that incredible flavor base. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the heart of our thukpa, the flavorful broth. Begin by sautéing finely chopped ginger, garlic, and onions in about 1 tablespoon of oil until fragrant. Next, pour in 4 cups of good quality vegetable broth and 2 cups of water, bringing this mixture to a gentle simmer. Season generously with salt, freshly ground pepper, and a splash of soy sauce. This aromatic base is crucial for a truly delicious soup. With our broth simmering beautifully, it's time to add the stars of the show. Gently introduce your 2 cups of chopped vegetables like carrots and cabbage into the hot liquid. Let them cook for about 5 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Then, add your 150 grams of noodles, cooking them according to their package instructions, typically for 3 to 5 minutes. Ensuring they are perfectly al dente. Finally, let's add those delightful finishing touches to our Veg Thukpa. Stir in a generous handful of fresh, chopped cilantro and a bright squeeze of lime juice to elevate the flavors. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed, ensuring a perfect balance. Ladle your steaming hot thukpa into warm bowls immediately. This easy method yields a comforting and incredibly satisfying meal, ready to be enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.